Objective Geology, multiple choice questions with answers. This is the solved question paper of BHU 2016 question paper. And I hope this solved question paper is useful for various competitive exams like CSR, NET, GATE, GSI and other exams. Welcome to set 1. Coming to the first question. Which of the following is a freshwater lake? Choices are A. Chilka, B. Dal, C. Sambar, D. None of the above. So the correct answer is B. Dal. Dal is a freshwater lake. So India has a large number of the lakes spread all over the country from Kashmir to Kerala and from Rajasthan to Assam. Among the better known freshwater lakes in India are the Dal lakes in Srinagar and the Nainital lake. Dal lake is one of the most beautiful lakes of India and it is the second largest lake in Jammu and Kashmir state. Being located in the heart of the Srinagar city, Dal can be considered to be an urban lake. So B is the correct answer. Next question. The most violent type of volcanic eruption are, choices are A. Strombolian type, B. Plinian type, C. Vulcanian type, D. Pelian type. So the correct answer is D. Pelian type. Pelian eruptions, they result from the collapse of an andesitic or rhyolitic lava dome with or without a directed blast, which produces a glowing avalanches or new ardentes, as it is a type of the pyroclastic flow known as block and ash flow. And these Pelian eruptions are considered violently explosive. So the most violent type of volcanic eruption are Pelian. D is the correct option. Next question. The velocity of propagation of tsunami in deep water is given by the relation. Choices are A. V is equal to GD, B. V square is equal to GD, C. V is equal to mgd, D. V square is equal to mg by d. So the correct option is V square is equal to GD. The dynamics of tsunamis are essentially governed by shallow water equations. The speed of the propagation V of a tsunami, it can be approximately by the formula, it can be calculated by V square is equal to GD. B is the correct option. Next question. Our sun is believed to be A. Primary star, B. Secondary star, C. Atmosphere of a proton, and D. Supernova. Our sun is believed to be a secondary star. The sun is a secondary star and it is created from such debris of an earlier star. So B is the correct option. Next question. Indicatrix of tetragonal crystal is A. Sphere, B. Cube, C. Symmetrical ellipsoid, and D. Asymmetrical ellipsoid. The correct option is C. Symmetrical ellipsoid. In hexagonal, trigonal and tetragonal crystals, the optical indicatrix is an ellipsoid of revolution, that is a symmetry form. That is a symmetrical ellipsoid. So C is the correct answer. Next question. Structure of olivine consists of layers which are parallel to A. 100, B. 001, C. 101, and D. 111. So the correct. Next question. The hardness of streak plate is about A. 7, B. 5, C. 8, D. 5.5. So the correct option is D. 5.5. It's a very simple and straightforward question. Next question. In case of wind erosion, the base level is A. Mean sea level, B. Sea level, C. Water table, D. Perched water table. So the correct option is, in case of wind erosion, the base level is water table. The base level of wind erosion is the water table, which may be far below the sea level. C is the next question. The refractive index of Canada balsam is A. 1.5, B. 1.54, C. 1.8, and D. 1.65. So the correct option is B. 1.54. Next question. The age of Kadapa is approximately A. 2000 million years, B. 1600 million years, C. 1200 million years, and D. None of these. The age of the Kadapa is approximately 1600 million years. Based on the stromatolitic assemblage, the age of the Kadapa is dated early to late Riparian, that is 1600 to 900 million years. B is the correct option. Next question. Most characteristic drainage pattern of a trap area is A. Dendritic, B. Barbed, C. Rectangular, D. Parallel. The most characteristic drainage pattern of a trap area is parallel during the Pliocene and early Pleistocene period, drainage has characterized by axial drainage parallel to this trap, and sediments were transported from the northeast. They are shown by micromineralogical data of the digital heavy minerals. So the characteristic drainage pattern of a trap area is parallel. Next question. Champaner series of Gujarat is equivalent to A. Bundelkhand gneiss, B. Aravallis, C. Sasar series, D. None of these. The correct answer is Aravallis. The Proterozoic Champaner basin of eastern Gujarat is considered equivalent to the upper part of the Aravalli supergroup. B is the correct option. Next question. Which group provides fastest moving invertebrates? A. Brachiopoda, B. Echinodermata, C. Cephalopod, D. Gastropoda. The correct answer is cephalopod. Cephalopod nervous system is the most complex of any invertebrate nervous system. Although species specific differences exist, its high level of complexity almost certainly it is due to the cephalopods are very active and they are fast moving and they have a predatory lifestyle, and their complex behavior and extreme flexibility of response to different environmental situations. So these are the fastest moving invertebrates. Cephalopods. C is the correct option. Next question. Ammonoids became extinct at the close of A. Triassic, B. Cretaceous, C. Jurassic, D. Eocene. So the correct option is B. Cretaceous. The ammonoids, they lived during the Jurassic and Cretaceous periods, flourishing in the ancient seas at the same time as the dinosaurs lived on land, and they became suddenly and inexplicably extinct at the end of the Cretaceous period. So B is the correct option. Next question. The size particle in case of suspension is A. 10 to the power of minus 5 centimeters, B. 10 to the power of minus 7 centimeters, C. 10 to the power of minus 6 centimeters, and D. 10 to the power of minus 4 centimeters. So the correct option is D. 10 to the power of minus 4 centimeters. Sedimentation analysis in a gravitational field is usually this is used for dispersed media with relatively massive particles such as suspensions, emulsions, and dust with particle sizes of 10 to the power of minus 2 to 10 to the power of minus 4 centimeters. So the size particle in the case of suspension is 10 to the power of minus 4 centimeters. D is the correct option. Next question. In the Bavino twins, 0 to 1 is the A. Twin plane, B. Equilateral, C. Composition plane, and D. Both A and C are correct. So the correct option is D. Both A and C are correct. Bavino twin law is uncommon twin law which is applicable in feldspars, in which the twin plane and composition surface are 0 to 1, and a Bavino twin usually consists of two individuals. So both A and C are correct. Next question. The Book of Origin of Species is written by A. Charles Dickens, B. Charles Darwin, C. Count Leo Tolstoy, and D. Ernest Hemingway. So the correct option is B. Charles Darwin. The Origin of Species, it was published on 24 November 1859. It's a network of scientific literature by Charles Darwin, who is considered as to be the foundation of the evolutionary biology. Its full title was on the origin of species by means of natural selection, or the preservation of favored races in the struggle for life. B is the correct option. Next question. A reverse fault dipping at an angle of less than 45 degrees is known as A. Overthrust, B. Thrust, C. Underthrust, and D. High angle fault. So the correct option is D. High angle fault. According to the magnitude of dip of the reverse fault plane, high angle when fault plane dips less than 45 degrees and low angle when the fault plane dips more than 45 degrees. So the correct option is D. High angle fault. Next question. Graphic texture shows crystallization at A. Triple point, B. Eutectic point, C. Incongruent point, and D. There is no such fixed point. So graphic texture shows crystallization at B. Eutectic point. So graphic and micrographic textures are intergrowth of quartz in potash feldspar, which is the host, and mostly orthoclase or microcline, which can be formed by replacement, or they can be formed by simultaneous crystallization at the eutectic point or crystallization from supercooled liquids. So graphic texture shows crystallization at eutectic point. B is the correct option. Next question. Petrifaction is a type of fossilization where A. Original form is preserved, B. original form and structure are preserved. C, entire organism is preserved. And D, only the hard parts are preserved. So petrifaction is a type of fossilization where the entire organism is preserved. So a fossil is the evidence of pre-existing life which has been preserved in the entire organism. So 5 of the most common fossil types are molds, casts, impressions, compressions, unilateral unaltered material, and petrifactions. Hope you have followed these questions. See you in the next part. So thank you for your time. Hope you can subscribe to this Explore Geosciences for more questions. Thank you.